What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we have an awesome video that I've been waiting to do forever. Let me tell you, since these new trucks came out, we've been riding on stock suspension, and it really beats me up, beats my fiance up, beats my dog up. So I want to thank Icon for sponsoring today's video and the channel, because I've been trying to get a suspension sponsorship for a while. So we're putting on the Icon Stage 6 suspension right now, so come check it out. We got it up on the lift, and I'll give you guys a little rundown on how she looks. Did I break the wheel spacers? Oh, we good. All right, guys, so we did get the rears in right now. So this is the Stage 5, so it has the adjusters at the top. It's a little bit pain in the ass, especially this one right here, to kind of reach it back there. But other than that, you had to grind out some of that right there. So I'm sure you guys saw that in the video. You had to grind your little shock mount. And I'm gonna eventually put the leveled up shock, or the leveled up shock skids back on here. It was just a little bit of pain in the ass, but got those going now. And then Parker is working on the front right now, doing the upper control arm action. So got those. Okay. All right. Turn it a little bit. Wait. Oh! Come on. All right, if you guys can tell, this side has the Icon fronts on there, and then this side is the OEM. You can kind of tell that there is more travel on the Icon side, so we're kind of just buttoning up right now, and it's looking good. What do you guys think? Got the new arms and everything. All the harnesses are all buttoned up, and then I think they want us to route these adjusters down there. So once we get it all buttoned up and everything, I'll show you guys a little bit more, but it does look like it's getting more travel on the passenger side, so hell yeah. Look at homie's truck right here. We're just checking out what we need for the resis. Let's see. Oh, he's got that bracket right there. Mine is different. Okay, so we're gonna have to figure out something to route that a different way. Okay, let's see. All right, guys, come check out the progress we're making here. Good day's work. Worked 8 hours, now we're out here doing coilovers. So check it out, guys. Yeah, we don't have that bracket, so we're gonna have to do something differently. Yeah. Oh, we might be able to shimmy it in there. All right, everybody, we're about to put it on the ground. We slaved away for a good 4 hours, and we're gonna see the final ride height right here. We'll see. We're probably gonna rub because Icon doesn't supply a spanner wrench for some reason. I don't know why. Uh-oh, here we go. I don't know if it looks lower or not. Huh? I don't know if it looks lower or not.
It's tall right now.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh, it does look pretty tall right now, huh? Yeah. Okay. Well,
they'll settle.
Yeah, they'll settle, but
Definitely taller in the front than you are in the rear.
Really?
Look at the fender got.
Oh yeah, that's gonna have to settle pretty good. We're finally on icons. Well, that was kind of a pain in the ass, but we got it on. I have the coilover set to a 4, so I'm really sure, and I'm not sure how we're gonna mount the resis because we have the deviate bumper and the lines don't really get routed the same way with the deviate bumper, but it's looking good. We got them installed, dude. We got to figure out something with the resis though. So, damn. Check it out. Check it out. We got the resis right now in the bumper right here, but we have to figure out where to mount them. So, I'll check in. When we get a little test drive.
That tire's still on the ground.
Oh yeah, that's way more travel, dude. Oh yeah. I'm excited, dude. So these are the OEM shocks, and look how these puppies are pretty toasted. I'm gonna fully compress them with 2 hands. So these are done for. And thankfully, Icon supported the channel and got us a hookup on these Icon Stage 5 coilovers. Parker, what do you think about the Stage 5?
Shit, it's better than what I got.
Oh, there you go. So we got them installed.
About a suspension no more, so that's...
Yeah, I'm a big complainer, but now we got the rear adjustables and the front adjustables. And if you guys can tell by the back right here, we do have the rig tire swing out. I haven't made a video about that yet, but we're gonna be doing a comparison between the Wilco off-road and the rigged swing out. So far I'm loving it, but we need to get the table and everything like that for that. So come check out the coilovers. All right, everybody, before I show you the coilovers, Icon does not supply a spanner wrench. So if you do buy their coilovers, make sure to get a spanner wrench. This is the part number right there. I don't know if you can see that, that's the part number. So make sure to buy a spanner wrench. So we're gonna crank the truck up. It's been about a week and a half. We went on a camping trip, went mud bogging, so the threads of the coilovers are gonna be a real pain in the ass to lift up. So I need to get the mud off, and then I need to jack the truck up. So let's get to doing that right now. Okay, so definitely don't try this at home, but we're gonna jack the truck up by the bumper. Let me give it a shot. Oh, just not enough. Actually, it's probably fine. That'll be all right. So, yeah, Icon, you should probably supply a spanner wrench on these kits that you sell because they're pretty expensive, and no spanner wrench is kind of, it's not cool. So, we're gonna jack the truck up right now and get to getting those coilovers off. I hope this jack has enough, because the travel on these coilovers are pretty high. So I'm gonna try to jack it up as much as possible. Oh, nice. They're already pretty loose for me, so that's nice. Now we're gonna get the spanner wrench. So the bolt is right here. My theory, I'm gonna try to get an inch. Let's count the threads here. Just probably an inch right now. I think they're set to 1.5, so we're gonna try to get 1 more inch and we're good. We don't need that much. We don't need that much lift, just a little bit. We're rubbing a tad bit on OEM, but the truck is covered in mud. It makes me sad. So let's do that right now. This is a lot of work, guys. It's actually 118 right now in Arizona. So, oh shit. All right, everybody, we got the coilovers cranked up with the nice Icon spanner wrench, and I cranked it up about to 12 threads. So I did like 5 turns, 6 turns from stock on what they give you. I think they give it to you at 1.5 inch lift. I just need like another 1/2 inch, so we got it all dialed in, and come check it out. Come check out the shocks. All right, so we got the upper arms on. Excuse all the mud. Me and Parker went up to the mountains this weekend, and it was a little bit muddy. So we got the upper control arms on. We got the coilovers on, and I did not put the diff spacer on there yet, but we'll do that eventually. And then we got the resis with the adjusters. So right now I have it on 9 because I'm driving on the road, which is really cool because when you have your sway bar off and you're driving, if you crank them to 9, it honestly feels like the sway bar is still on. That's how controlled they feel. I have not tried all the way to the softest, but you have 10 adjustments right here. So they're pretty convenient. The line is routed through here. No rubbing or anything with the 35 1250s. And then the adjusters are just right here. Easy access. As it goes for the rears, not so much. So on the rears, you kind of have to like shove your arm up here, reach all the way to the top because they are at the top, but you can get it. You don't have to get under the truck. You can kind of reach it right there. And on this side too, since they're off-centered, you do have to kind of reach all the way up there next to the exhaust. I do have the MagnaFlow Overland Series exhaust, and it comes damn close to that coil right there. If you see, it's pretty dang close to the coilover. So I think I'm gonna take the drone reducer that the Overland Series exhaust has, that drone reducer, we're gonna pull it off, just kind of cap it, so we'll have more room there. And that is the rears. So far feels super nice. The leveled up puck lift, it did the job. It did get me on 35s. I had like a 2-inch lift in the front, 2-inch in the rear. I have the peak out of leaf, and then the leveled up shackle. So I kind of was double dipping there in the rear, but she's been fine. Nothing really crazy. We've done some trails out in Sand Hollow with that setup, and the 35 skinnies, we had that at Sand Hollow. But I'm loving how the shocks feel now. They feel really, really, really good. But one thing I did notice that I'm really, really sad about when I was walking around here, when I was walking around to the truck, I noticed we have a crack. So this side's not that bad. It looks like it's coming from the hole over, but that's still really sad. We got a crack there. And then this side is honestly way worse. If you can kind of see that, it is pretty bad, and it makes me really sad. So I think I'm going to try to reduce some weight in the rear just because of that. I'm not really sure. I think I'm the first 3rd gen Colorado Canyon owner to crack their bed. So yeah, I'm really bummed about that, but I'm loving how the coilovers feel. Like I said, I just raised it, so it's looking good. Like, I'm loving how it looks, but I do definitely need to figure something else in the rear. I love that Pantheon tent, love it so much, but I think I might switch up something. One of those like FSR light tents. Because yeah, that kind of sucks. This is a reason why I did want to get suspension, is because I was beating on it like super hard with stock stuff, so it's just really jarring. So like that doesn't really help very well with the bed, with the everything, the camping stuff, the tent, everything bouncing back and forth, just getting rattled. So yeah, that is a reason why I did want to get shocks. But I'm really happy on these Icons. Like, shout out to Icon for helping me out. I've been trying to get a suspension sponsorship since these trucks came out, and everybody's been slacking on it. They put the Tacoma first, you know, and you know, that's just how it is being a Chevy boy. You know, we get slim pickings. But Icon, thankfully, they hooked it up, and so far I'm liking it. A lot of people say they leak, but we're gonna test that, and I'll have that on the channel too. let's hope they don't leak, but if they do, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, I'm loving it so much. Looking good. I'm not really going to go any higher than that. When you're off-roading, more tire, less lift is better. So that's the theory. That's just better. You don't want to do another cross-member drop or anything, and then you don't want to lift it too high because your CV angles are going to be all messed up. So this is perfect. I think we're like 2.5, maybe 2. I don't really know. I haven't had this truck stock in the first month, so I don't know. But so far, it's been awesome. Let's hope none of you other guys get a cracked bed like me. I think that's just something, you know, that's my fault for beating on it so much, but I really don't think you guys are gonna have a problem. That's my fault for really thrashing it on stock suspension. Also, the coilovers have like way more travel. I haven't really tested it on trail. We kind of just did some fire roads and like mud bogging stuff last weekend, so can't really, like, I don't have any videos of it, but just putting it on the lift and jacking it up with the jack, like way more travel, front and rear. So I'm really excited about that. I definitely got to put the diff drop in the front because the travel's so much that it will just snap a CV if I flex out and do everything like that. So yeah, the travel is like, I think Icon says 65% more travel. So don't quote me on that, but it's pretty cool. I like it. Like you saw earlier in the video, those OEM shocks were just toast. I could push them together with my fingers. These ones you cannot. Me and Parker were having a toughie trying to shove it into the rear shock slots, but we got it, so I'm loving it. So early in the video, we were kind of figuring out where we're going to put the resis. The spot that Icon tells you to put them, they do fit. I just had to shimmy them in there with the bumper, kind of shimmying under that bracket right there. So we got the resis in. They don't rub at all, turning full lock or anything like that. But I'm really excited to like hit the trails more with these shocks and kind of test them out and let you guys know on the channel how they are, because the OEM Z71 suspension, you know, that truck, Chevy said it was going to be more of like the street off-roader, I guess it was when it first came out. So it was just toasted. So I'm excited. We got to put the diff drop in there pretty soon. But I'm going to go throw that MagnaFlow drone reducer on there. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more awesome Colorado content. And we got a lot of trips coming up soon, and Caitlin kind of wants a new little rig, so support your boy. Check out the merch. She's actually making some for next week. So it's not AI, none of that bullshit. It's hand drawn and hand created by my fiance. So she puts a lot of time and effort into that stuff, and I love her for it. And I hope you guys buy some merch, and it would mean a lot to me as a fellow YouTuber. That means a lot to me. So make sure to comment. Let me know your thoughts. And I love you guys so much. Take it easy. Bye.